company beer over Kenya, Uganda, you cannot take more than 15% commission from the drivers. The also own two full prices name Emma drivers also adjust the kakra with the current fuel hike in the system there. Then reduce your commission because more competition at Damontemuno, Uber Kumasi here. We have Bolt, we have Uber, we have Django. And because of the competitive nature of the market, obey increasing the fares, I'm going to lose customers, i.e. in the form of passengers, they are from riders. Because we are willing to increasing the fare, rider and our passenger number call up so and answer up so. And decided be increasing the fare. And therefore, so it is the detriment of the driver, the online driver, who will buy fuel like 200 cedis at the end of the day and earn 250 cedis, which cannot even pay for. So we can't know your own 25 years old on when you're into the air, can I say, amount first, fine, open to maintain no customers, no problem. Yeah, your commissioner will take it 25% to reduce it. And so reduce the commission. So the driver and also by behind Kakra. But Oka and Kaka, because the state apparatus, the state institutions who are in charge to regulate these ride-hailing companies now, I don't know what is happening to them. They've written petition over petition over petition. And
as the situation,
top people, those influential personalities in the society.
It is a CAR situation.
And your concern be
okay. And Boateng, hello Boateng. Okay, Boateng. CAR Moniamano Yansasano, Moya Dane. How do you adjust?
No, so most often, so we a passenger or request ABI Ujan Santa also Kotek. The driver and the bell say, okay, Mr. Oh, Kotek, I find me by me no beko. Right now, app company charge or no, magic, or the initial magic back. You're back on the off trip. You're back on the off trip. Study a buyer on your own commission. Emma app company. And yes, sir, officer Osisi also no back off trip. But fantastic to text. You charge you 20 cities. Our bank offer a taxi or beg you 35-40. They have also the initial make or back. They back on off trip. Study a buyer 25% from that 20 cities, which is 5 cities to the app company. No, or no, not necessarily so no person. We are doing so. So the app companies, they will begin to reason with us. No, because that's the only way. You bet me, I'm a I understand the economy.
And for now,
and you say, no,
as an off trip minimum, for now, no, and yet the online a price and a banana moji.
No, as I'm saying, one say, my example say from Fantastic to Tech, ABI. App company also charge you 25 cedis. Driver name for income, or back to 25 cedis. Me konemu. Me akwa no off trip. Say buy a commission na ka driver ne be app company no. At the end of the trip, onya share into no. That money will come back to the driver. It's the app ne charge you na driver no also obedo. But officer mon kon off trip. I hope that when you pick no.
Matthias, nti that means
exactly. And then the point bonus, as most often, I'm not for complaining. Drivers no more off trip. And yet because of and Yamana app companies maybe from once one you care for car, at the end of the day you run low. You cannot buy fuel 200 cedis at the end of the day, and you earn 250 cedis just because the app companies are competing among themselves, and so therefore none of them want to increase their price, and it is the detriment of the driver. Because the next morning, the driver will have to put something on the table. I was all feeding the family. I was all feeding the kids.
Sir, online driving the Jume, that's why lucrative.
But also,
that's why Manford as well.
So to some of us, we've been in the system, so we know how to meander our ways around.
Okay.
But a new driver, and answer will the talker and next obey investor online driver more. Now, who's taking my advice? I will tell you so you shouldn't do it. So, you will be driving yourself. So, what kind of my driver now? The beyond driver and being a problem. Yes, a driver needs to with you. But the app companies need to drive an information. Some of the weeks, and you've been a bad drum now for an office, you're going to call Boise, Yana, Aman, and Yeska move, you get sales. We can even want to know sales. And you might think that is the driver and maybe only good character. But no, far from that, it's the app companies. And now we are calling on the government say they should regulate these app companies because African countries, I ask a Ghana penny a job. Once they research, because people will be calling us and then you'll be speaking on radio. So you have to do research, and we know what is happening in other countries. They are not being left unconcerned like it's happening in Ghana here.
Isaac Anope, we are grateful. For High Akoma 87.9 FM. The discussion is on. Ninjano Eba Nyame Adoma free channel aircall from next week. Will be by Monday, Friday there. Na just a wood triaka shintia there for and that is the situation. Join us yen Facebook